So we've been blessed with some really nice weather today. Sun is shining, few clouds, but not many. And today is the first day that we are going to tackle this facade. We are going to grind it, clean it, render it, and eventually paint it too. So there's a few steps that I'm going to go through a little bit later in the video. But right now I'm going to get started to cover up the sidewalk and a little bit of the street here so that we can get started. So I'm trying to take down all the nails and fasteners for old cables, whatever, on the wall so that we can grind it later with a special grinder for concrete and mortar and stuff like that. We actually have a very annoying problem. See, the lock is here, and when you put the key in and you're gonna turn it, you scratch your knuckles on the wall here. So I'm gonna try to make a kind of a hole here so that you can turn the key without look like you've been in a fight. I have started to put these corners. So this is the end list that is going towards the sidewalk.
The last recipe, I'm not really sure I could call a recipe, but I've been curious for a long time of how to use up a lot of lemons. And one thing that I do in the winter months and, well, not only year round when I cook is I buy a lemon and I might use half a lemon's worth of lemon rind and then I don't find uses for it. So I wanted to try and make some lemon zest powder. And see if that could be a good substitute in recipes when you just want a little bit of a zing. So I'm gonna get a bunch of that zested and then dried in the sun a little bit in the last moments in the oven, and then I'm gonna make it into a powder. So I'm not looking for a big volume. I'm gonna do just a few teaspoons. It's about 1 teaspoon that's generated from 1 lemon. So maybe 10, 12 lemons I'm gonna zest now. So I'm going to put this in the oven now. Put it on your lowest degree setting that you have, and 20 minutes, 30 minutes max. So you're not going to roast it, you're just going to dry it out, so keep a very close eye. Okay, that was even faster than I thought. After 10 minutes, this is already dry and beautiful. What I'm gonna do now, that there's a few of them that aren't 100% dry, so I'm gonna leave the oven door open and the oven off, and while I clean up in the kitchen, I'm just gonna make sure that it gets completely dry so I don't get any mold in my little powder. So now it is beautifully and perfectly crispy. So I'm taking it out of the oven. I'm using my little accessory that I have with my hand blender. I think that's gonna do the trick. There we go, my little lemon powder. I'm imagining this will work really well in smoothies as well. I'll let you know. If you have some ideas of how to use this, let me know. Cute. And the greatest bonus of all, I made the whole house smell of gorgeous lemon. That's a nice bonus. So.
Today I'm going to put a light layer of plaster on the cornice up there and try to straighten it out. There's some holes and cracks in it, and hopefully I will get that done. And I think you can see the big crack in the wall up there, which I'm going to fill up too. And hopefully I will get the first layer on top of the whole facade today. Maybe not around the windows and doors, but everywhere else, and then we'll see what happens. It's gonna be quite bad weather tomorrow, and I'm not feeling too good today either. So let's get this day started.